From the moment we are born, we begin a remarkable journey through the cosmos. This journey, our life, is a tapestry woven with experiences, relationships, and moments that shape who we are. But like all journeys, it eventually reaches its end. Death, the final frontier of our existence, is a topic that has captivated and perplexed humanity for millennia. Despite its inevitability, death remains a subject shrouded in mystery and often met with fear. Yet, understanding end-of-life experiences and embracing palliative care can profoundly impact how we navigate this final chapter. It's not about denying death, but rather about approaching it with dignity, compassion, and a sense of peace. As we approach the end of our individual journeys, it's natural to grapple with questions about our mortality, death anxiety, and what, if anything, lies beyond. Let us embark on this journey of discovery together, shedding light on near-death experiences, spiritual awakening, and finding solace in the knowledge that we are not alone in facing life's ultimate transition. Palliative care is a specialized medical approach that focuses on providing relief from the symptoms, pain, and stress of serious illness, especially during end-of-life experiences. Unlike curative treatments that aim to cure the disease, palliative care prioritizes improving the patient's quality of life, regardless of their prognosis, and offers hospice comfort. This approach is not limited to end-of-life care, but can be integrated into a patient's care plan at any stage of a serious illness, addressing death anxiety and the unknown. Palliative care teams consist of doctors, nurses, social workers, and other healthcare professionals who work together to address the physical, emotional, and spiritual needs of the patient, facilitating spiritual awakening. One common misconception is that palliative care is only for those with terminal illnesses or those facing mortality. By managing symptoms and providing emotional support, palliative care empowers patients to live their lives as fully as possible, even incorporating meditation at life's end. It's about living well, even in the face of serious illness and near-death experiences. Hospice care is a specialized type of palliative care that focuses on providing comfort and support to patients with a terminal illness and a life expectancy of 6 months or less. When curative treatments are no longer effective or desired, hospice care provides a compassionate and supportive environment for patients to live out their final days with dignity and peace. This end-of-life experience often includes managing pain and symptoms, providing emotional and spiritual support, and ensuring the patient's wishes are honored. Unlike palliative care, which can be provided alongside curative treatments, hospice care is typically offered when the focus shifts entirely to comfort and end-of-life care. Hospice teams work closely with patients and their families to manage pain and symptoms, provide emotional and spiritual support, and ensure the patient's wishes are honored. Hospice care is often provided in the comfort of the patient's home, allowing them to be surrounded by loved ones during this time. However, hospice services can also be provided in dedicated facilities or other healthcare settings. Families play a vital role in hospice care, and hospice teams provide support and guidance to help loved ones cope with the emotional and practical aspects of caring for a dying family member. This journey often involves facing mortality, experiencing spiritual awakenings, and dealing with death anxiety. Section 4. Spiritual Awakening and Near-Death Experiences. As we approach the end of life, it's not uncommon to experience a heightened sense of spirituality or to question the nature of our existence. These end-of-life experiences often bring about a profound spiritual awakening. Spiritual awakening, a profound sense of connection to something greater than oneself, can manifest in various ways, from a renewed appreciation for life's beauty to a deepening sense of peace and purpose. Meditation at life's end can also enhance this experience. Near-death experiences, or NDEs, are another intriguing phenomenon reported by individuals who have come close to death. These experiences are often encountered in palliative care or hospice comfort settings. These experiences often involve a sense of leaving one's body, traveling through a tunnel, encountering a bright light, or reuniting with deceased loved ones. Facing mortality can bring about these vivid experiences. While NDEs are often described as profoundly real and transformative experiences, their exact nature remains a subject of scientific debate. The unknown aspects of these experiences continue to intrigue researchers. Regardless of their explanation, NDEs and spiritual awakenings often leave individuals with a deep sense of peace, a reduced fear of death, and a profound appreciation for the preciousness of life. These experiences can significantly alleviate death anxiety. Section 5. Death Education, Facing Mortality. Death is a universal human experience, yet it remains a topic often shrouded in silence and taboo. Death education seeks to demystify death and dying, providing individuals with the knowledge and tools to approach these topics with greater understanding and less fear. By openly discussing death and dying, we can normalize these natural parts of life and reduce the anxiety and fear often associated with them. Death education explores various aspects of death, including the physical process of dying, grief and bereavement, funeral arrangements, and ethical considerations surrounding end-of-life care. Understanding the dying process and the options available, such as palliative care and hospice comfort, can empower individuals to make informed decisions about their end-of-life care, ensuring their wishes are honored. By confronting our mortality, we gain a deeper appreciation for the preciousness of time and the importance of living each day to the fullest. This journey often leads to a spiritual awakening, helping us to face the unknown with a sense of peace and acceptance. Section 6. Finding Peace, Meditation and Mindfulness at Life's End. In the face of serious illness or the end of life, finding moments of peace and tranquility can be profoundly comforting. These end-of-life experiences are often supported by palliative care and hospice comfort. Meditation and mindfulness practices offer tools for cultivating inner peace, reducing stress, and navigating the emotional challenges of this time with greater ease. They can also aid in facing mortality and death anxiety. Meditation, a practice of focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity, can help calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of well-being. This is especially valuable during near-death experiences and meditation at life's end. Mindfulness, on the other hand, involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment, cultivating awareness of our thoughts, feelings, and sensations. It can lead to a spiritual awakening and acceptance of the unknown. These practices can be particularly beneficial for individuals facing end-of-life challenges, as they provide a sense of grounding, peace, and acceptance. Whether practiced individually or with the guidance of a qualified instructor, meditation and mindfulness offer invaluable tools for finding peace and tranquility at the end of life. Section 7. Confronting death anxiety and the unknown. Death anxiety, the fear of death or the dying process, is a common human experience, especially when facing mortality and end-of-life experiences. It's natural to feel apprehensive about the unknown, and the thought of our own mortality can evoke a wide range of emotions, from fear and sadness to uncertainty and existential angst. While some level of death anxiety is normal, excessive fear can interfere with our ability to live fully and embrace the time we have, even during palliative care or hospice comfort. Addressing death anxiety often involves exploring the root of these fears, sometimes through meditation at life's end or spiritual awakening. Seeking support from loved ones, therapists, or spiritual advisors can provide comfort and guidance in navigating these complex emotions, especially when dealing with near-death experiences. Ultimately, confronting death anxiety is not about erasing our fears, but rather about learning to live with them and find peace in the face of uncertainty. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.